Hello art beaters, Becky here for artbeads.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use one of my favorite components that we have right now. It is a layered tube clasp, and it's really great for layered necklaces because it makes it easy to keep all those layers together and easy to open and close while you're wearing, keeps it untangled, easy for travel, really great piece. And I'm going to show you how to use that clasp right now. These are our layered necklace tube clasps. They are tube clasps with either 2 or 3 rings. They are magnetic and they're easy to open and close. Now, normally tube clasps have loops on either side, but what makes these layered necklace tube clasps so great is that one side comes with spring rings already attached. This means that you can make your jewelry designs, especially your layered jewelry designs, interchangeable. Simply by making beaded necklaces with a jump ring on one end and a spring ring on the other, you can easily add these strands to a layered necklace clasp and then easily take them on and off. There are 2 different sizes available, so I would invest in both sizes so you can choose between wearing 2 necklace layers or 3 necklace layers. Switch your necklace strands between the 2, and they're also available in gold and silver. These are gold filled and sterling silver respectively, so really nice quality jewelry component for finishing and completing your designs and making them interchangeable as well. So if you're making designs with a spring ring attached on one end and the layered necklace clasp has a spring ring attached on one end, this means you can easily take those strands on and off the layered necklace tube clasp. So what you'll do is you'll attach the jump ring end of your beaded strand to the spring ring end of the layered necklace clasp. This means you can take these strands on and off the layered necklace strand and layer different strands in. So you can switch up your necklace layers to create new looks all with the same clasp. And it's easy to add right back on. So this is a great way to keep all the strands that you want to wear together while you're traveling. Makes it easier to take those different strands on and off. You're not struggling with 3 different clasps once you're trying to get it around your neck. They're already all together. You can simply just hook the clasp together and go. So really great piece if you really love wearing layered necklaces. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and inspiring. Please make sure to leave a like and a comment, and as always, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!